Hello, my name is Ruben Ram. I am the CEO of Omics Global Solutions, and we are preventing diabetic nephropathy. Omics Global Solutions is a biotechnology company located in San Juan, Puerto Rico, with a start product to prevent diabetic nephropathy. Back in 2014, the World Health Organization declared type 2 diabetes as a global pandemic, and more than 80% of these patients are coming from diabetes. And how do we solve this? I want to introduce you INNOVATIO-ND2. A very unique test. It's the first test in the world able to identify the risk of developing diabetic kidney disease in type 2 diabetes population. It classifies the prognostic and diagnostic risk in a low, medium, and high scales. And how it works? It's using a patented algorithm that works with the HDL, the estimated glomerular filtration rate, and 3 very specific proteins of biomarkers that are going to reveal the risk of every patient in a very accurate way. The most important characteristic of INNOVATIO-ND2 is how impactful will be in the clinical practices. Identifying the risk, doctors will apply in a very early way preventive protocols for specific patients' needs. INNOVATIO-ND2 identifies and predicts risk in patients that the standard test, like abdominal creatinine ratio or estimated glomerular filtration rate, fail to. And affordability is critical. We are talking about millions of patients with type 2 diabetes. So INNOVATIO provides a fraction of the mass spectrometry platform, which was the benchmark used initially for the algorithm proprietary company in Australia. After the first result is known, the doctor will establish a monitoring plan to avoid patients to progress to chronic kidney disease. In a summary of the clinical utility of INNOVATIO-ND2, we can say that the test enables more comprehensive assessment and informed approach to help doctors to identify patients at risk, implement preventive measures and a plan before the kidney damage actually appears, customize patient treatment plans, and improve patient monitoring and management in a very early way. In conclusion, diabetic nephropathy represents a heavy burden for all patients around the world and as a critical condition for patients as well. INNOVATIO-ND2 is the first test in the world that is going to be able to help them to identify those populations that are at risk and start intervening in a very early way. And we are in a post-COVID-19 world where this pandemic has brought the importance of having an early intervention in critical healthcare. And we are in the right spot right now in terms of the biotechnology world, and we have a very successful team that is going to be critical in the execution of our plan. And we are finally looking for the right strategic partners to join us and moving on to the next level. Thank you very much.